Hello all, welcome to this video on the workflow of the Invoice Format Editor module in Odoo 18. This custom module allows you to configure and customize invoice template effortlessly, ensuring they align with your business needs. In this walkthrough, we will explore its key features, settings, and how you can create professional looking invoices with ease. Let's dive in. Let's start by installing the module. For that, log in as your administrator, go to the apps and search for our custom module, that is Invoice Format Editor, and click on the activate button to install the module. I have already installed the module here. So after installation of the module, let's go and see the default printing format of the invoice. For that, go to the invoicing menu, go to the customers, go to invoices, and open any one of the invoice and click on the settings button and choose the PDF without payment option. So it will give you a printout of the invoice. So this is the current printout of the invoice, the default printout of the invoice provided by Odoo. Now let's change the format or the layout. For that, go back to the main menu, go to the settings, and when you scroll down under the companies section, you can see document layout option. Here you can configure document layout by clicking on the configure document layout link, external link. So when you're clicking on it, a pop-up will appear here. In addition to the layout that is provided by Odoo, like light, boxed, bold, striped, our module provides a differently invoice document layout. At the bottom, you can see a extra field will appear after installing the module, that is invoice document layout. Here you can see the current layout is set as default. We also provide 3 more additional options, that is modern, normal, and old standard. When you're changing the invoice document layout, you can see the preview of the layout is also being changed. Afterwards, you can set the invoice layout configuration as modern or standard. According to that, the color, you can set the color. And when you click on the internal link of the invoice configuration, here you can set the text color, the heading text color, the customer text color, the company text color, and even configure the base color also. On this side, you can set the positions of different fields like the customer position, the company address position, the logo position, and the tagline position. Now, under the invoice details tab, you can enable or disable these fields. So, to set whether these fields should be shown inside the invoice or not. So, if you enable the salesperson field, the salesperson will be available in the invoice. Like that, you can add description, tags, customer reference, source, address, city, country, and VAT. After configuring the invoice layout configuration, you can save and close this, and you can continue the configure document layout option. After that, you can save the settings. Now let's go to the main menu, go to the invoicing menu, go to the customers, choose invoice, and open one of the invoice. And now let's try and print out a PDF format of the invoice and see how the changes we made is applied. So go to the settings icon, click on the PDF without payment, and as you can see, the format of the layout is being totally changed according to the layout we set. And that wraps up our overview of the Invoice Format Editor module in Odoo 18. With its flexible customization options, you can create invoice templates that suit your business perfectly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Odoo related content. Thanks for watching.